Welcome guys, I'm Andrew Daw. This is the Foundations to Investing course. This is the introduction. It's a free 7-lesson course on the basics of investing. We're going to talk in plain English, I'm not going to jargonize it. Before we get into lesson 1, there's going to be a quick 5 minutes on what to expect and how you can use this course. So I'm Andrew Daw, let's go. First, a quick setting of expectations. What this course is a plain English walkthrough on how investing actually works in the UK. It's 7 short lessons. They're around 10 to 20 minutes each. They're enough to understand the basics, sort of look through the noise that you might find online when you're doing your own research and make better decisions about your money. It's built for people that feel like they should know more, but they've been quietly putting it off. What it isn't, and you need to understand this, is it's not personal financial advice. I don't know your circumstances. Not a get-rich-quick scheme. There aren't any. It's not a sales funnel disguised as education. However, I am a qualified financial advisor, and you're welcome to reach out to me at any time. It's not a stock tipping service, so I'm not going to say buy this stock. We don't ever talk about individual companies in this whole course. Quick word about why this course exists. So in my day job, I'm a financial planner. I'm an independent financial planner, and I meet a lot of people who feel embarrassed they don't understand investing. They've often been meaning to learn for years. It's not uncommon, and it's a difficult subject to research because there's so many people putting their opinion out there. So I'll build from the basics to a more advanced course as I go. The truth about the basics of investing is they're not complicated. They're just not taught anywhere that's obvious, and it's hard to find the basics because you'll be looking through the noise. So we're not really taught at school. I didn't get a financial education in school. We're not taught at work. We're not taught in the papers. We just see doom and gloom. So this is my attempt to try and build financial education into the UK. 5 concrete things you should be able to do by the end is explain what compounding is to a friend. Tell investing and saving apart. Stay calm and understand that markets may fall. Know what an ISA and a pension actually do, and have a 1-page plan. A few other words before we begin. This is education. I want to reiterate this to the nth degree. It is education, not advice. Nothing in this course is personal financial advice. If you need personal finance advice, reach out to a personal financial advisor. Investments can also fall as well as rise. You will see the warning at the bottom. You may get back less than you put in. Past performance is not a good guide on future performance. 3, tax rules change. So as tax rules change, I will update what I've got out there information-wise, but the most relevant or latest tax rules will be on gov.uk. And 4, if you are in doubt, get an advisor. There is a lot of life events that genuinely warrant a regulated planner, such as buying a house, inheriting money, retiring, or getting a divorce. We cover these in the last lesson. A handful of small things that will make this course easier. 1 lesson a week. So if you send out 1 lesson a week, it will give you time to digest what you've just been told. Do the tasks. Most lessons will have a task at the end. Lesson 3, you could write it down in a notebook, but you will also receive the slides. So I'm not ever going anywhere. And 4, go deeper if you want. So there's a free calculator on my website. There's a small library of articles, and I will continue to populate them as I go. One last thing before we get into lesson 1. There is a cost to not doing anything. I want you to understand that. The only real mistake you can do is put off your financial planning. When you, hopefully, by the time you've been through this course, you would have realized that you wanted to learn this 10 years ago. So the next best time to learn or implement is now. You don't need to be cleverer. You don't need a big lump sum. You just need to start financially planning.